my last test strip. Just a little bit left. All right, hopefully that stays on there. I saw a little under 6170 RPM with the machine mostly warmed up, and I would consider that to be in the medium-high range. Let's check out the airflow for the Whole House Elite Hoover. And we have 4 tests to do, because I can easily turn the brush roll on and off, and I can fairly easily take all the filters in and out. Okay, we're going to start with all the filters in and the brush roll spinning. All right, close to 55. Now let's go ahead and turn the brush roll off. It should go up a little bit. All right, takes it up to just about 56. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and pull both filters out. There's both filters out. Okay, I'll start with brush roll going again. And let me reset here. All right, here we go. All filters out, brush roll should be spinning. Oh, and by the way, this is set to position 2 because that actually puts the front part of the nozzle as low as possible, even lower than hard floor, just by a tiny bit. Okay, about 59, all filters out. Let's stop the brush roll, and here we go with the last test. Okay, with the easiest load possible, all the filters out, no brush roll spinning, about 61 CFM. So I'm thinking about 18 inches of suction, so not really a whole lot. So I guess technically that would round up to about 68 CFM. Now let's test the suction at the end of the hose. So people, make sure that you definitely never follow the manufacturer's normal and simple and routine maintenance requirements. Like, I don't know, say emptying the bin, cleaning the filters. How about cleaning the brush roll when, I don't know, say there's a giant pile of debris that kind of wraps around it, or the machine's clogged, for example. Washing parts of the machine when the need arises. And I will keep picking these machines up, making nifty little videos that everybody can enjoy, and probably get a number of years out of these machines after doing some fairly simple fixes. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more, especially using this particular machine. We got whole house cleaning with weighed results, and I don't know, maybe even Mrs. Vaclab will make a return appearance. Stay tuned.